In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Scrum project management in Asana, 5 minutes. First, log into Asana and create a new board project to serve as your product backlog. A board view gives you clear visual flow and makes it easy to drag work from idea to done. Name it something clear so your team knows this is the single source of truth for upcoming work. Set up columns to match a simple Scrum flow, backlog to refine, to sprint, in sprint, and done. This mirrors your team's real process and helps everyone see where each item sits. Keep the wording consistent with how your team speaks so there's no ambiguity. Next, add custom fields to capture the data you'll use for decision-making: priority, story points, sprint number, Scrum stage, and effort. Use drop-downs for priority and Scrum stage and numbers for story points and effort. If your team estimates with Fibonacci points, reflect that in the field options. These fields enable meaningful sorting, filtering, and reporting. Add features or epics as tasks. Break them down into user stories so they're small, testable, and ready to move. If you have a lot of incoming ideas, create an Asana form that feeds directly into your backlog. This keeps requests structured and prevents important details from getting lost. Schedule regular refinement to clarify scope, add acceptance criteria, and prioritize. Update your custom fields as you go, so the top of the backlog always reflects the most valuable ready work. When you plan a sprint, decide on capacity using story points and move the highest value ready items into the sprint. You can create a separate board for each sprint or keep everything in the main project and use sections for the active sprint. During planning, move the selected tasks into the sprint project or section and set sprint number and assignees. During the sprint, manage the board daily. Assign owners, add due dates, and attach relevant documents. Use Asana rules to automate movement between columns, like moving a task to in sprint when it's assigned and moving to done when it's completed. Automation reduces manual updates and keeps the board reliable. Use the sprint board in stand-ups to review progress, surface blockers, and plan the day's work. At the end, use the completed sprint board to walk stakeholders through what shipped. Then hold a quick retrospective, analyzing what went well and what didn't, using the completed tasks as context. Keep finished tasks in the sprint for historical tracking, and apply filters to hide completed work so your boards stay clean while your data remains intact.